Welcome back. Today, we're exploring another wonder of the world. Get ready to uncover fascinating facts about one of the most iconic landmarks in history, the Roman Colosseum. The Roman Colosseum, an iconic wonder. The Roman Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Rome, Italy. This ancient wonder has a rich history, fascinating architecture, and a legacy that continues to inspire awe. Construction and history. Built between 72 AD and 80 AD during the reign of Emperor Vespasian, inaugurated by Emperor Titus in 80 AD with 100 days of games, hosted various events, including gladiatorial contests, animal hunts, and public spectacles. Architecture and design. The largest amphitheater in the Roman Empire, accommodating up to 50,000 spectators, built with travertine limestone, tough stone, and brick-faced concrete, features a complex system of underground tunnels and pulleys. Events and entertainment. Gladiatorial contests. Battles between trained fighters, animal hunts. Exotic animals, such as lions and elephants, were hunted or fought. Public spectacles. Reenactments of famous battles, executions, and mythological scenes. Legacy and preservation. A UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1980. A symbol of Rome and Italy, attracting millions of visitors each year. Undergone several restorations and conservation efforts. Fun facts. The Colosseum could be flooded for naval battles, known as pneumachiae. The arena's floor was covered with sand to absorb blood and provide traction. The Colosseum's design influenced the construction of modern sports stadiums. The Roman Colosseum is an enduring testament to ancient Roman engineering, architecture, and entertainment. Its legacy continues to captivate audiences worldwide. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends. Your support means the world to us. We'll see you in the next video.